can wear that with goggles, right? So
Yeah, you can wear it with like eyeglasses. So
oh,
what's
nice.
cool about it?
Yes.
I was there. I'm like, I can't see anything. So then I put my eyeglasses on. Whoop.
There you go.
Good.
Whoop, there it is.
Well, I think we're not all gonna fit underneath the car there, so I was thinking I might start digging into the battery a little bit and get a better understanding of what's going on with that battery pack.
Yeah.
That way we can, when it comes time to disassembling and reconfiguring those,
You have a plan?
get a plan together and better
Nice.
understanding.
I like it.
Yeah, so I might sneak off and.
Okay.